All right, I'll share my screen and we'll get started. My name is Joshua. I'll be going over a Django app that I built. Pretty simple, just a to-do list. But I just wanted to go over how I created it. So first, to show you how it's used, I have some commands just to show you how it works. So I'll open a terminal, start a virtual environment, and then we will run the server. And we'll go to this link right here. We just open to do. Now we have this this simple web app right here. So right now I'm recording a video. I can delete that because I'm already doing that. And then I'll clean my room and match my socks. Thing to do. And we can delete these as soon as they're done. And you can see it processing right here. So how this works is so right here in this file, there's the basic functions. So to do, basically, we're just going to get all of the objects from this, and we're going to display them as all items. And then when we want to add, every time that we add something, it'll call this function, which right here, we'll take the item and it'll take whatever it is and call the new item and save it. And then after that, it'll give us a HTTP response redirect back to the original URL link. So it'll add that, because every time, so depending on what's added right here, it'll take us to a different part of the web app. And then right here, similarly with delete to do, it ends by taking us back to the original page. But before that, it gets the object with the ID that matches the one that we want to delete, and then it deletes it right here. And then if we go down here, then these are the different URL patterns. Like I was saying, it adds things to the end. So if it says to do, then it'll just do the to do view and display everything. Add to do will do this function, which adds something. And then this one right here, delete to do with a number, is what this says. It will call this function. And this number will be the index number of which to do item it is. And then it'll pass that into this function that we already looked at right here. To do ID will be passed in, and that's when we're selecting which ID we're going to delete. And then the last thing, so this is displaying it. This is creating a form right here. These tags are form tags. And this one is to delete. And then this one is, as you can see, to add. And that's pretty much it. There's one other, my first attempt at this was, I started by trying to make pages, different pages. Let me interrupt this and then I'll do a quick demo of the other one. So if we go here, same thing. Terminal, that's not going to work. This. Now that one will work. No, that didn't work. So we'll run the server. And if we open it now, this is the first web app that I made. It just has 2 pages. So something I'm going to do in the future is combine this web app and give it a second page to summarize things. But that's kind of the frameworks of those 2 web apps. So thanks for watching. Bye.